Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a sunny little house with a bright blue door, lived a kind boy named Leo. Leo had a very special thermometer. It wasn't like the thermometers that tell you if you have a fever. Leo's thermometer showed him how a room was feeling. His thermometer had a little screen with happy faces and words. Sometimes it said cozy, with a picture of a smiling sun tucked under a soft blanket. Other times it showed excited, with a bouncy star doing little jumps. And sometimes it showed a bit grumpy, with a sleepy cloud with droopy eyes. Leo's bedroom was painted a cheerful yellow, and his toys were always smiling from their shelves. He kept his special thermometer on his bedside table, next to his favorite fluffy bunny. One sunny morning, the thermometer showed cozy when Leo woke up. The sunbeams dancing on his colorful rug made him feel cozy too. He yawned, stretched like a sleepy cat, and went to find his mommy. The kitchen was big and bright, with yummy smells of warm bread. Leo held up his thermometer. It glowed excited. Mommy was humming happily as she took golden muffins out of the oven. A little ladybug with bright red spots was crawling on the windowsill, wiggling its antennae excitedly. Leo knew it was a good time to ask for a muffin. Mommy smiled and gave him a warm one. Later that day, Leo went to visit his friend Lily. Lily's house was painted a lovely lavender color and had a little garden with colorful flowers. As Leo stepped into the living room, his thermometer showed a bit grumpy. Lily was sitting on the floor with her teddy bear, and her brow was a little bit furrowed like a tiny squeezed lemon. The teddy bear looked a bit droopy too. Leo remembered what a bit grumpy meant. It meant someone might need a little quiet or a gentle smile. He sat down quietly next to Lily and looked at her drawing. It was a picture of a sad-looking flower. "That flower looks a little lonely," Leo said softly. Lily nodded. "It needs a friend." Leo had an idea. He reached into his pocket and pulled out a bright yellow sticker of a happy sun. "Maybe the sun can be its friend," he suggested. Lily's eyes widened. She carefully stuck the sunny sticker next to the sad flower in her drawing. Suddenly, the flower didn't look so sad anymore. A tiny smile appeared on Lily's face, and Leo's thermometer changed. It now glowed cozy. Lily gave Leo a hug. After playing quietly for a while, Leo's thermometer in Lily's room changed again. This time, it flashed excited. Lily jumped up. "Let's go see the butterflies in the garden," she exclaimed. In the garden, butterflies with wings like painted rainbows fluttered among the flowers. A little bluebird sang a cheerful song from a branch. Leo and Lily chased the butterflies, their laughter floating in the sunny air. When it was time for Leo to go home, he gave Lily another hug. He looked at his thermometer one last time in Lily's happy living room. It showed cozy. Back home, as Leo snuggled into his bed, with his fluffy bunny, he thought about his special thermometer. It helped him understand how others were feeling. Knowing how someone feels helps you be a good friend. That night, Leo dreamed of happy thermometers and rooms filled with sunshine.
Please subscribe. Thank you.